Hello dear students. Students, today we are going to study about the molecular mass. Okay. As in previous video, I had discussed about the relative mass. Means how can we calculate the mass of element. Okay. And we have also seen in that every atom, in order to calculate its mass, we have to compare with a carbon 12. Okay. So children, atom has atomic mass. In the same way, molecule has molecular mass. Clear children? Molecular mass means it is the relative mass of its molecule. Relative means it will also compare with the carbon 12 part. Clear? Carbon 12 means the mass of molecule will be compared with the 12th part of the carbon 12 atom. Clear children? So we can write it is the relative mass of its molecule as compared with the mass of carbon 12 atom. This will also indicate that how molecules is heavier than carbon 12th part of atom. For example, suppose we have taken hydrogen gas. Okay, its mass of hydrogen gas is 2. This molecular mass indicates that mass of hydrogen means 2 times is heavier than carbon 12th part of carbon 12 atoms. Means hydrogen molecule 2 times heavier than 1 upon 12, means 12th part of carbon 12 atom. Part of carbon 12 atom. Clear children? So these molecule always compared with carbon 12th part of carbon 12 atom. Students, it is always express the unit, and that is known as U. Unit of molecular mass will be expressed in U. U means unified mass. Clear children? Now we will see the process how can we calculate the molecular mass of the compound. Okay children? See children, calculation of molecular mass. So children, there is only one process to calculate the molecular mass of the compound. Means we have to add each mass of atom present in compound. This is the process children we have to follow. Okay, means we have to add each mass of atom which is present in the compound. For example, methane children, CH4. Let us calculate the molecular mass of this compound. So children, atomic mass of carbon is 12 and hydrogen is 1. Okay. One thing children, you have to understood that when one atom is different with the other atom, so there will be sign plus. Okay, when there will be different atom. and we have to write H4. Clear, children? Now put their masses. Carbon 12. There is a 4 atom of hydrogen, children. So 1 into 4. 12, 4 is equal to 16 U. Understood, children? Second, C2H5OH. Okay, let us calculate the molecular mass of this compound. So, atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen 16. Clear? Now, first we have to separate each atom. C2, there is hydrogen, children, so there will be plus sign. H5 plus, again plus O, again plus H. Clear, children? Carbon 12, so there is 2 carbon, children. 12 into 2, 1 into 5, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. 12 to ja 24, 5, 16, 1. Now calculate, children. 29, 16, or you can write 17, 46. Clear, children? In this way, we can easily calculate the molecular mass of any compound. Let us take another example to understand clear, children. So first of all, you have to note in your copy. Now, children, calculate the molecular mass of aluminum oxide. Okay, mass of aluminum is 27, oxygen is 60. Okay, now first separate each atom. Al2 plus, because there is different atom, O3. Now put their masses, children. 27 into 2. Now oxygen 16 into 3. 54, 48. Clear? 12. So children, the molecular mass of aluminum oxide is 102. In this process, children, we will find out every molecular mass of any compound. Clear? So students, now we are going to study the last topic of this chapter, that is mole. Students, before going this topic, we will understand a very good example which is related to that. Okay, students, when you go to market to purchase banana, okay, you always say that I want 1 dozen banana. Okay, 1 dozen banana or 2 dozen banana. You never use 1 liter banana. Okay, 1 kilo banana. Okay, you never use this type of unit for buying banana. Okay, you use only dozen. It means this is the specific unit for this substance. Okay, and 1 dozen banana contains only 12 banana. When you will buy 1 dozen banana anywhere, he will count only 12 banana and give it to you. So children, dozen here represents the specific unit for this substance. If we assume this banana as a particle, okay, so mole is the counting unit of, like this is also counting unit because one dozen contain 12 banana. So children, in the same way, mole is the counting unit of the particles. Here we are talking about banana and this mole is counting unit of particles. Clear children? Like electron, proton, neutron, etc. And one dozen banana contains 12 banana and each particle contains 6.022 10 to the power 23. Clear children? So we can understand with the help of this example clearly to mole. Okay. Now children, this banana contains 12. One dozen banana contains 12 banana. In the same way, suppose there is one hydrogen. One hydrogen atom. This is the particles children. One hydrogen atom contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 atom. One hydrogen molecule contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecule. One mole of, you will write here mole also, one mole of H2O, this is compound children, contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 water compound, means water molecule. Clear children? Molecules of water will be right. Molecules of water compound. So each particles contain same type of the number which is present in either atom, molecules or compound. Clear children? And this number is called Avogadro number. Avogadro's number, which is represented by Na. This is the constant value for each particles like electron, proton and neutron. Okay children? And now we are going to see the problem based on mole. Clear children? Now children, we will see the question based on number of moles. Means how can we calculate the number of moles? Students, number of moles can be calculated by two methods. First, mass given, or number of particles. Number of particles like ions, okay, atom, molecule, okay. If mass is given children, so number of moles will be, we can calculate mass upon molar mass. Molar mass children is the same as molecular mass. Molecular mass. See children, the first formula. If mass is given and the question is asked to calculate the number of moles. So we have to divide the mass of a given substance by its molecular mass. Clear, children? This is the first formula on the basis of mass. If number of particles is given, so number of moles will be number of particles by Avogadro number, like 6.022 10 to the power 23. Clear, children? With the help of these two methods, we can easily calculate the number of moles. Clear, children? Now we will see one by one of this how can we calculate number of moles. Okay? Now see, children, first we will read calculation of number of moles on mass given. Okay? So children, we have the formula number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Okay? See the example. Convert into moles of 64 gram of oxygen atom. Okay? See this question, children. The question is that convert into moles means we have to calculate number of moles of 64 gram. Okay, 64 gram of oxygen atom. Students, atom and if there is a gas, both are different. Oxygen atom means like this, means single atom. If there will be oxygen gas, so we will write O2. Clear, students? Now number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. So oxygen atom contains 16 gram, means the molecular mass of oxygen is 16. Clear? Here gram is there, children, so it means mass is given there, and if mass is given there, so with the help of this formula we can calculate its number of moles. So number of moles is equal to mass given. Mass, how many mass given, children? 64 by molar mass, means molar mass of oxygen atom is 16. Okay, 16 4 ja. Clear, children? Means if mass is given and the question is asked about number of moles, so you should apply, children, this formula. This formula is only based on mass given. Means if mass is given, by this formula we can calculate its moles. Now children, see another example. Calculate, second example, calculate number of moles of 20 gram of water. Okay, see children, gram is there. Gram is the SI unit of mass. You know it very well. So children, it means mass is given there, and we have to calculate number of moles. So children, the formula is mass given and divided by molar mass. First we have to calculate molar mass. Students, I had told you that molar mass is the same as molecular mass. It means the calculation of molar mass is same as molecular mass. So molar mass will be H2O, H2 plus O. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. So 1 into 2 plus oxygen 16. 16 to 18. Clear, children? Now we have mass given, also molar mass. Now number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass is 20 by 80. So when you divide 2 9 ja, 2 10 ja, so will be 1.11 mole. Clear, children? Note in your copy. Now, let us understand a question which is given on this. Okay, for example, calculate mass if number of moles of oxygen gas is 0.2. Now children, number of moles is given there 2, and we have to calculate the mass. Number of moles is given there and we have to calculate the mass. So children, number of moles, mass is given there. Again, by applying this formula, we can calculate the mass. Now, number of moles is equal to mass on molar mass. Number of moles is equal to 0.2. Mass we have to calculate, and molar mass, there is oxygen gas O2. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so 16 into 2. It means molar mass of O2 is 32. Now cross multiply, children. Mass is equal to 32 into 0.2. Will be 10, children. The 4, 6 by 10, 6.4 gram. Easy, children. Means if mass is given there, we can calculate number of moles. If number of moles is given there, we can easily calculate the mass by applying this formula. Okay. Now children, we will see the second formula. Number of moles can be calculated by given number of molecules. Okay. Number of moles is equal to number of particles in molecule, ions, atom, etc. divided by 6.022 10 to the power 23. Children, if the number of particles is given there and the question is asked about number of moles, so if we divide number of molecules by 6.022 10 to the power 23, so we will get the number of moles. Okay, For example, calculate number of moles in 0.044 10 to the power 24 molecules of methane. Okay children, see this question. Calculate the number of moles if molecules is given there. Means if the number of particles is given there, how can we calculate the number of moles? So by applying this formula, we will get the number of moles. So number of moles will be number of particles, means it is already given children, 12.044 into 10 to the power 24 by 6.022 10 to the power 23. Okay, now here it can be divided by 2 into 10 to the power 24. There is a positive side children. When this exponent goes to the numerator, it will change the sign, that will be minus 23. So 10 to the power 1, it means 20. Number of moles is equal to 20 moles. It is very easy children to calculate number of moles by given molecules. Means we have to only divide the number of molecules by 6.022 10 to the power 23. Clear children? Now we will see another formula in this children. See children, write one here. Now we are going to take out one, means another formula. Number of moles is equal to, we also know it, mass upon molar mass. Okay, and here we can write number of particles. Okay, like molecules, ions, etc. by 6.022 10 to the power 23. Cross multiply. So here number of particles will be mass by molar mass into 6.022 10 to the power 23. Now write another formula children. Means this formula shows that how can we calculate the number of molecules, number of ions, number of atoms if mass is given there children. Okay, so we can also write number of molecules is equal to number of moles, because this is the formula of number of moles in gram. Means if mass is given there, into 6.022 10 to the power 23. Clear children? Both are same. Write in your copy. Very simple formula children. Now I will give you example. After that you are able to understand clearly. One question given there in NCERT. Let us try to solve. Okay children? Question is that calculate the number of molecules. Okay, the question is that, children, calculate the number of molecules of sulfur 8, means this is sulfur, children, in 16 gram of solid sulfur. Okay, now see, children, we have to calculate the number of molecules, means number of particles you can also say, and here mass is given there, children. So before some time I had explained that if mass is given there and calculate the number of moles, number of molecules. Number of molecules can be calculated mass upon molar mass into 6.022 10 to the power 23. Clear, children? So here mass is given there, children, 16 gram. Molar mass we can easily calculate, sulfur 8. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. So 32 into 8, 16, 56 gram. 256 into 6.022 10 to the power 23. 16 that, children. Okay. Now 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 0 1 1. Clear? 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 by 8. Now divide, children, you will get the value of this. Clear? 10 to the power 22 molecules. Easy, children? Means we have to put only their values in the formula, and after that we can easily calculate either number of molecules, either mass or number of moles. So children, go through all the